Whether it's pizza dough, barbecue rubs, coffee, or baking, a good kitchen scale has been invaluable in what we do here at the Barbecue Lab. Thermoworks has just released their brand new Gravitas scale, and they say it's accurate to 1/10 of a gram and weighs up to 11 pounds, so it's time to put it to the test. I'm David Gafford, and here at the Barbecue Lab, Melissa and I test the gear you want to make sure that it's something that you will actually still want once you buy it. In this video, we're going to mix up a batch of one of our barbecue rubs, which we measure in weight instead of volume, make some pizza dough where it's always tough to measure the amount of yeast to the 1/10 of a gram, and see if we can hit the golden ratio for coffee. Is this Gravitas scale worth the price tag, and will it do what Thermoworks says it will do? Let's find out. Melissa and I recently attended an event in Salt Lake City and got hands-on with the Gravitas scale for the first time. The team at Thermoworks asked if we wanted to test it further, and we brought one home with us to work with. They didn't give us any notes or marketing speak, just sent us along our merry way with the Gravitas, and we're testing it for you. Let's start with an overview of the scale. The Gravitas measures 9 inches deep and 7 inches wide. The stainless steel scale portion is 6 3/4 inches square. The display is wireless and removable and stays in place due to a couple of magnets on the back side. This is the first scale I've used that has a detachable screen other than the shipping scale that we use to ship orders from our website. That scale display is still wired, and the Gravitas puts it to shame being both wireless and much easier to read. I like the detachable screen when I'm using a bowl that covers up my ability to read the display. I can just pull it out where I can see it and keep moving forward. The display auto shuts off after 5 minutes, but the cool thing is that it saves tare and weight information for 15 minutes. So if you're like me and get pulled away mid-recipe, you have 15 minutes to get back to it and your weights are still saved. The Gravitas is available in 5 colors: yellow, black, white, blue, and red. If you're interested in the Gravitas, you can check the current price, see the colors, and make a purchase by scanning the QR code on the screen or by clicking any of the links down in the description below. Our content here is viewer supported and not sponsored, and the way that you keep the reviews and videos coming is by using our links when you make a purchase. It doesn't cost you anything more, and we feel the love. There are 2 buttons on the front of the scale. The left button is both the power button and the tare button, and the button on the right cycles between the various measuring modes. There are 4 modes on the Gravitas: ounces only, pounds and ounces, grams only, and kilograms and grams. What really makes this scale stand out to me, though, is what it can do in high resolution mode. When measuring ounces, it can measure to the 1,000th of an ounce. In grams, it can measure to the 1/10 of a gram. Most kitchen scales on the market have 2 potential challenges. If you want to measure to the 1/10 of a gram, those scales usually have 2 scales in a single unit. One is very small, designed to handle the things you would want to measure to the 1/10 of a gram, and the other scale is a bit larger and not as precise. Other kitchen scales about the same size have 1 measuring surface, but they're only capable of measuring down to a single gram and up to around 6 pounds in many cases. This new unit brings precision low-end measuring with a ceiling of 11 pounds, meaning it can really do it all in a single, smaller form factor. For reference, let's head into the test kitchen to see just how small of a measurement we can get with some common household items. Welcome to the test kitchen here at the Barbecue Lab. We have 7 low weight items that we're going to put on the Gravitas to weigh, and I want to challenge you. What do you think is the order of the lightest to the heaviest of these items? We have an aspirin, we have a pellet for a pellet gun, we have a brass fastener, we have a Post-it note, a penny, a wood pellet, and a dollar bill. Go ahead and go down in the comments right now and rank what you think is the lightest to the heaviest, and we're going to show you the answer here in just a second. We had our kids come in and put them in the orders that they thought, and here were their guesses. Let's go ahead and start with the dollar. 1 gram exactly. Next is our aspirin, 0.6 grams. The brass fastener, 0.4. The pellet for the pellet gun, 0.9. The wood pellet, 0.9. The penny, 2.5. And the Post-it note, 0.4. Now, for those of you coin nerds out there, you probably noticed that this penny was after 1983. If you had a penny that was older than 1983, you know it would weigh different. Here's how much that would weigh. 3.1 grams. If you're a coin nerd, you already knew that, but there's a little nod to the coin nerds in my family here in the barbecue lab. All right, here are the results. We have the lightest to the heaviest. The Post-it note and the brass fastener were both at 0.4 at lightest. Then we have the aspirin. The 2 pellets were the same weight. The $1 bill was 1 gram. Then you have the newer penny and the older penny. Either way, the penny is the heaviest. I hope you put your answer down in the comments below. I'd love to see what you thought. In just a second, we're going to mix some barbecue rub and measure our morning coffee. But first, I want to pass a question off to you. Do you currently use a kitchen scale to measure, or is the volume method of teaspoons and tablespoons working for you? Let me know what you use a scale for, or if you're just watching this video because using weight instead of volume makes you angry. Tell me about it down in the comments. We manufacture our own line of seasonings and barbecue rubs here at the Barbecue Lab, and I've gone through the training and building inspections to get the lab certified to mix and manufacture our own blends in-house. To do that, I have recipes that are measured in weight instead of volume, and depending on the batch size, my recipes scale to the 1/10 of a gram. Today, I'm mixing a batch of our Essential Equation SPG rub, and I need 22.2 grams of parsley for this batch, which is what we add to give our Essential Equation a pop of color. It's also a great time to let you know that our Essential Equation is finally back in stock, and you can get any of our seasonings at shop.thebarbecuelab.com. It's one of the ways that you can support our channel and keep the testing videos and articles coming. This batch will be bottled and available on our website by the time this video is published, so scan the QR code on the screen if you want to try the flavors of the Barbecue Lab in your backyard. Another source of frustration that we have here at the lab is making pizza dough for our testing recipes. Sometimes we need 20, and other times we need just 1 or 2 dough balls, and I use the pizza app to create my dough recipes. I've had to use a double scale in the past since the yeast is usually measured to the 1/10 of a gram and the flour is in the kilograms. But with the Gravitas, it's 1 scale for the entire process. Now, I don't talk about this much on the channel, but I absolutely love a good cup of coffee. I didn't start drinking coffee until well into my 30s, and as I started making my own coffee at home, I realized that something was off in my brewing process. That's where I learned about the golden ratio of 1 part of coffee to 16 parts of water. Melissa and I make a 33-ounce pot when we get to the office, and I measure out 58.5 grams of freshly ground coffee every morning. The Gravitas makes it easy, getting me to the 1/2 gram instead of guessing with tablespoons and teaspoons. Now, I've spent a week measuring everything under 11 pounds here at the office, and I can easily say that this is my favorite kitchen scale I've tested. I love the single measuring surface for everything from 1/10 of a gram all the way up to 5 kilograms or 11 pounds. There's still testing to do with the Gravitas in upcoming videos, but if you're interested in the Gravitas, click on the QR code here on the screen or use the links down in the description. That's how you can support our channel and keep the video reviews coming. Did I also mention that Thermoworks announced the Thermopen Nano this past week? They tell us that it will read in less than 0.4 seconds. So if you're a Thermoworks fan, subscribe to the channel because we will be putting this to the test very soon. I'm David with the Barbecue Lab. Behind the camera is Melissa, as well as Addie and Ethan for the summer. Thanks for watching. Smash like if you got value, and we will see you on the next one.